Hello, John from Bang & Olufsen in Manchester, back with another video. It's 2018, so Happy New Year everybody. I know it's probably a bit late for that now, missed the boat, but never mind. So I thought we'd have a look around Multi-Room because things have changed since I did my last Multi-Room video. The app has had a big overhaul and I just want to show everybody how easy Multi-Room is to set up and exactly what it does. So let's get started. So I'm going to go freehand for this with the camera to tell you exactly what Multi-Room is. So it's speakers that connect to your Wi-Fi network, your existing router that you've got at home, either wired or wireless, and they will join together and play the same music throughout the house, or be completely independent and play their own music. So let's start with the compatible products. Here we go. So at the start we've got BeoPlay M3, BeoPlay M5, BeoPlay A6, and up here BeoPlay A9 as part of Multi-Room. We've got BeoSound 1 and BeoSound 2. I missed one there. BeoSound 35. The rather awesome BeoSound Shape, because essentially that's driven from BeoSound Core, which is also compatible. So there's BeoSound Core. So that can be connected to a pair of Bang & Olufsen loudspeakers. For example, I've got mine here connected to BeoLab 3. But that could just as easily be connected to BeoLab 18s, 20s, BeoLab 17s, even the beautiful BeoLab 50s. Ooh, love you. And it's not just audio systems either, so we can connect to BeoVision Horizon, BeoVision 11, that one there in the window. There's BeoVision 11, we've got BeoVision 14, BeoVision Avant, and that's that first generation and the new generation Avant, and of course the lovely BeoVision Eclipse. So let's use the app. It's the Bang & Olufsen app. If you search in your Apple or Android app store, you've got the B&O, which is top center. B&O. So this will launch the Bang & Olufsen app, and this is the home screen to show all the products that you've connected to your system. So in the shop I've got them all named as products, but at home you'd probably have them named as living room, dining room, lounge, etc. So the one that you touch will highlight, and that will let you control the music on each individual speaker, or the beginning of the Multi-Room. So let's say I want to play some music on BeoSound Core. I can click on music at the bottom of the screen, and this is where my connected Deezer account will show me all of my playlists and selected things. And I've also got at the bottom there a hard disk, so I've got a NAS drive connected with some lossless music, and I can flick through that as well. But I can't do that because it's YouTube, so I have to use copyright free music. So I can search some copyright free. There we go. Use Me Volume 1 copyright free by Monkey Punch. What an excellent name, Monkey Punch. But kids never punch a monkey. So let's play that. So you see it's added to play queue, and that will start playing on my BeoSound Core. So here I can see what's playing. I can control the volume on my BeoSound Core, and I can see what's in the play queue and skip through and see what's going to play. So at the bottom here I've also got a Multi-Room button. So I can see at the top there I've got BeoSound Core with its volume control. But if I want to add another speaker to it, I can just press the plus next to the product that I want to join. So let's say I want to join BeoPlay A6 and BeoPlay M3 in silver. I've now got 3 products joined, all with their own volume control. and then if I want to remove them from the group, I just press the X and they'll turn themselves off. I can then go home and I can choose a different product. So let's say the M5 Silver. I can then play something completely different to that speaker. So I can play radio or from my music collection or from Deezer, and I can play something completely different, and I can even make 2 or more multi-room groups from different products, so I can have 2 lots of music going around the house on different speakers, or I can control each speaker individually. With most of the multi-room products having Google Cast built in, we can use the Google Home app. So on the screen there you can see right in the centre the little house, the coloured house. If we click on that, this is the Google Home app. This is where Google Assistant lives, and I can connect all my Google services together. So in the top right corner I can see my little Cast icon, and these are all the products in the shop that have Google Cast built in. So I can choose on my favourite apps like Deezer or Spotify or Google Play Music. Anywhere I see this Google Cast icon, I can cast the audio to a particular product. Or if you like, if you choose one of the products with the little 3 dots, I can create a group. So let's say I've got both M5s, the M3 and the BeoSound Shape, and they're going to be called John's Group. Rather than casting to individual products, I can then cast to a whole group of products all at once with one command. So now you can see I've now got John's group with 4 speakers all linked together. So that means if, like me, you're using a Google Home or a Google Home Mini, you can send a command to it and cast to multiple speakers all at once. So you can say, for instance, OK Google, play BBC Radio 2 on John's group.
Streaming BBC Radio 2 from the BBC on John's group.
There you go, and that will play to all the speakers. OK Google, stop. I'm not going to play it because I'll probably get copyright issues with playing radio or whatever music they're playing on YouTube, but trust me, it does work. So there you go, multi-room made easy. So if you're using the Bang & Olufsen app or the Google Cast with the Home app, which is really cool if you're using the Home or the Google Home Mini, which I kind of love, by the way. I've got one at home now as well and I absolutely adore it. There's lots of ways to use it. It's really flexible. You can control each speaker individually. You can have different music playing in each room in the house, or you can link them all together starting from wherever you want. So you can start the music in the lounge and then play to the kitchen. You can start the music in the dining room and then play back to the lounge or the kitchen, and the possibilities are endless. It's a really flexible system. It's easy to use and you've already got the infrastructure. If you're watching this, I'm assuming you've got internet at home and you've got a Wi-Fi router there. That's all you need, and if you're worried about Wi-Fi getting around the house, we can install extra access points and improve the Wi-Fi around your home so you get a good solid connection everywhere that you want to listen to music. If you've got any questions, of course, leave me a comment down below or email me at the email address in the description and I'll be happy to come back to you. Until then, you'll see me in the next video. Right, at the end of the video, I normally put in my favourite comment from the last one. But somebody left me a bad comment.
Me?
Yep, you. Everybody was commenting on how fine my beard is.
Well, scruffy I call
Which
it.
it is, and you called it scruffy.
Well, I won't kiss you.
I don't want you to kiss me, if I'm honest.
It's alright then.
So, yeah, I need some defence. Tell him. Tell him he's wrong.
Beards.
Just because you can't grow one.
You don't live in Soho, mate. Come on.
But I'm going to give a shout out to my regular commenters. These are all
Okay.
my fans.
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 Jesus.
Peter Wall.
Okay.
Also
Peter.
got my little list. Peter. Adam, Aaron and Piper, who's an awesome photographer, by the way. Beefers26 always leaves a good comment. Good old Beefers. Yellow Pinarello is awesome. Andrew C, he always leaves a comment. Cartman227, he's left a few comments. El Hing Han, who started the whole pretty beard thing. So he's got a lot to answer for, yeah. Lorenzo, he's another good one. Get rid of it.
Yeah. But it's just scruffy.
I know he would disagree.
Go on.
My friend New Moon 320.
Oh, Jesus, not New Moon.
New Moon.
New Moon.
New Moon. I don't know who
Moon.
you are. I don't know if you're male or female. Doesn't matter. But
Or one in between.
oh, well, whatever.
We are open
New
to
Moon
that.
likes me. He always leaves me a nice confidence boosting comment. Likes me, does you, New Moon?
Yeah, do not like.
Eyes like the deep ocean, he said once.
Yeah, like to meet in the dark
He,
alley,
she.
no doubt. Anyway, New Moon. Congratulations. If you ever want to employ him, you can take him off my hands. It's not a problem.
Please do.
Okay.
This is grim.
Anyway, come on, let's get back to work.